it's your friend Mimi, and today we're gonna do some yard work. Are you ready? Let's go. All this fun stuff to do. Playtime with Mimi and you. Mimi. First, you're gonna need some work gloves, safety goggles, a push lawn mower. Yeah, that's pretty cool. What's this? A weed whacker, yeah! And a trash bag to put all our debris in. Are you ready? Okay, let's check out the lawnmower. This is called a push mower, yeah. That means I'm gonna push it on the grass. Check this out. This is the bag right here. Look in here. Yeah, it hooks on right there, and the grass is gonna go in the bag. The bag's gonna catch all the grass. This is where the gas goes. Yeah, that's how it's gonna have the engine run. But look underneath.
Whoa.
You see this? This is the sharp blade, and it's gonna go around and around and around. That's why we always have to be so careful around big motors like this, yeah, so we don't get hurt. Pretty cool, huh? Should we go drive it? Yeah? Are you ready? Okay, let's go. First, let's put on our safety goggles. Whoa! And then our gloves. 1, 2. Okay, now we're ready to start. Let's put this lever down and grab right here on the string. I got my stance nice and wide, and I'm gonna pull. You ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Look at the trail. We made a trail. Check it out. Let's mow some more. You ready? We had to stop because our bag is super full of grass. It's so heavy. Check it out. And open it up. Yeah. You see all the chopped up grass? Oh, it's okay if some spills. Whoa. All right, now we're gonna dump it. Here we go. Whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa.
That's a lot of grass!
Wow! Is it empty? Okay. Now we can keep going. Lift this up. Hook it on. There. Clean out the grass, snap it down. Good to go. Gotta move this out of the way and then we can mow. That was so much fun! Look how clean the grass is now!
Wow.
But there's something else we need to do. Yeah, do you remember? Weed whacking. Come check this out. Here's our weed whacker. Now, just like on the mower, it had a propeller This one has a little string and it'll spin and whack the weeds down. Yeah, it's really fun. You want to see Mimi try it? Yeah? All right, let's go. That was so much fun, but look, we made a mess. Yeah. So the last part, I'm gonna take the mower and clean up all the weeds that we just whacked. Yeah, like a vacuum, it's gonna suck it up. Here we go. I saw something over here. Come check this out. Oh, do you see that? Yeah, it's a strawberry. I bet there's more strawberries. After we're all done with yard work, I love to harvest the fruit and vegetables that I grow in my garden. Yeah, but I need a helper. I know who to ask. This is my little helper, and we're gonna get some strawberries together. You ready? Okay. Here's one. Want to get that one? Pull that off for me. Good job. Here, I'll hold them for you. Okay, let's see if we can find some more. Keep looking down that way a little bit. Oh! It's a little one. Sure, let's get that one. Pull it. Nice. Great. Should we get that one? No, it's not ready. That one looks good enough to eat. How many strawberries did we get? 3! Yeah, good job! Should we go get some other things from our garden? Okay, let's go. Here's our zucchini plant. I see 2 zucchini. Should we get them? Whoa, look how they're growing. Gotta twist. Oh. You hold that for me? Okay, now there's one more. That one's not ready. That one's a little too small. We should let it keep growing, huh? Okay, thank you. I think I saw something over here. Should we go look at the pumpkin? Okay, our pumpkin plant is really big. Do you see a pumpkin? Right here? Wow! That pumpkin is growing. What color is it? It's greenish and white right now, huh? We're gonna see what it turns into. We're gonna let it keep growing. How do we grow our plants? We need to water them, huh? Let's go water. Yeah, let's go. All right, let's water the strawberries first. You ready? Oh yeah!
Good job! You're getting them all watered. Great. Okay, should we go do the zucchini now? All right, bring it over here. Yay! Watering the zucchini. Spreading out the water. They're so happy you're watering them. Yay! Good job!
Now what should we do? Should we water the lawn? Yeah? I think the lawn needs some water. Let's go do it. Hit it. Woo! You almost got me. Whoa! Come here, let's run through it. Do it again, go! Thanks for coming and doing yard work with me today. I'll see you next time. Bye! Bye! Now our playtime has to end. Say goodbye to all our friends. Soon you'll have more fun again with